portable air conditioners sometimes experience issues that can be resolved with a simple power cycle reset. Understanding when and how to perform this basic troubleshooting step can save you time and potentially avoid a service call. Three main issues indicate your portable AC may need a reset. The unit stops cooling effectively, it keeps tripping your circuit breaker, or you see error messages on the display. The power cycle process involves four simple steps that reset the internal electronics of your air conditioner. First, turn off your air conditioner using the power button. Make sure the unit is completely shut down before proceeding. Next, unplug the unit from the electrical outlet. This completely disconnects the power supply and allows the internal circuits to discharge. Wait between 5 to 10 minutes. This waiting period is crucial as it allows any residual electrical charge to dissipate and gives the internal circuitry time to fully reset. Finally, plug the unit back into the electrical outlet and turn it on using the power button. The power cycle reset is now complete. Before testing your air conditioner, always check your electrical panel to ensure the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. A trip breaker will prevent your AC from receiving power even after a successful reset. Power cycling your portable air conditioner is a simple but effective troubleshooting technique that can resolve many common issues without requiring professional service. If a power cycle doesn't resolve your portable air conditioner issues, the next step is to look for dedicated reset options on your unit's control panel. Look for a dedicated reset button on your control panel. This button is typically small and often colored red to distinguish it from other controls. To perform a control panel reset, press and hold the reset button for 3 to 5 seconds, then release it and wait for the unit to reset itself. Many portable air conditioners also offer reset functionality through their remote control. Look for a reset button or mode button on your remote. For remote control reset, press and hold the reset button or mode button for approximately 5 seconds. The exact procedure may vary by manufacturer. Always consult your user manual for specific reset procedures, as they can vary significantly between different manufacturers and models. If reset procedures don't resolve the issue, check these common troubleshooting areas. Clean or replace air filters, verify proper ventilation, and ensure the exhaust hose is correctly connected. If problems persist after trying these reset methods and basic troubleshooting steps, it's time to contact a qualified HVAC technician for professional diagnosis and repair.